Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Oliver Wiedmaier at Ollie underscore all caps on Twitter. Boy, did we just finish a awful week. The SPY was looking really good, it's looking really strong. We had a follow through day, then we had back-to-back distribution days, and then a nasty gap down that just led into more bleeding. So normally I want to give you guys as much information, as many tools and names to look at going into the trading week to give you guys as much just information as possible. But right now, we're not in that type of environment. I highly recommend just stepping to the side. If you're not already short or you don't already have your hedges in place, now is not the time to start getting short or start trying to hedge. Hopefully you are all in cash. If not, then highly recommend getting in cash because the chances of us going even lower is the probability is much higher. So as of June 10th, 2022, you should be in all cash or you should be short going into the next trading week. Definitely don't want to be trying to going long on names unless we show some sort of tightening, some sort of strength in the next 10 days or so. So let's take a look at the SPY real quick and I'll show you some key levels. But this video is going to be very short. So let's take a look at the SPY. So here we have SPY daily, and you can see that we were trading sideways, showing some tight price action. And then, we were looking for the SPY to make a decisive move, either up through the 417 area or down below the 406 area. And not only did we break the 406 area, but we broke on heavy volume, and then we gapped down to below 400 into the 389 area. And so as of right now, the way I'm looking at it is if we break 380, we are going to go much lower. Hopefully, we go down much lower, but much faster. This whole chop up and down, you can see it's been brutal with gap ups, gap downs, gap ups, gap downs, gap up, and then we ran up. And then we gapped down, and then we gapped up for 1, 2, 3, this big gap up, and then it's just been brutal. So what we want to see is either some sort of tightening down here, possibly tightening as a higher low. That would be really constructive if we can stay above this whatever this is, 380 or so. Yeah, 380. Let's call it 380. Or if we just come down, the VIX needs to, if we're going to start making some lower lows, we need the VIX to shoot up. Ideally, the VIX needs to break 40 in order for there to be enough volatility and to really get rid of whoever it is that the institutions are trying to shake out. We can look at the Qs again. Same thing, 280 on the Qs. This is my proprietary go no go, and you can see this is interesting that it actually went green on June 7th on the SPY, but quickly went back to a no-go zone. So that's basically it. We are not going to be sharing any trade ideas, just a cautionary measure. Now is not the time to be trading. We'll look real quick at FinViz. I do have a new high screener. I like to look at this, and we can see only one stock made a new high on June 10th. That fits my criteria, which is a big red flag. So as of right now, we are very much in a step aside and watch environment. So hope you guys are in cash, and now is a great opportunity to work on your scans, read your books, and to really dial in your mental game so that whenever this thing does snap back, whether we make this higher low, we smack this, if a shakeout here and then close up higher is possibility, or we could go down to 360 about this 358 area, maybe even a 320. Who knows? But hopefully it's fast and it's sharp, and we are hopefully to the side and we don't get damaged by it. That's why we always use risk management, and we always do these market analysis so we can stay in tune with exactly what's going on to preserve mental capital and physical capital. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. If you don't follow me, please follow me on Twitter. Thank you guys.